Hello and welcome to I1 Business Presentation. I1 stands for Infinite Wealth Opportunity Network. So, pangalan pa lang po, I1, panalo ka na. Infinite Wealth, mamaya po pagka nakita nyo na po yung marketing plan, makikita nyo po kung gaano po kaganda, kung bakit po payaman ka po sa marketing plan. For office, usually po sa nag-start na company, ang kinukuha lang po nila ay mas maliit na office. Pero ang kinuha po namin was malaking office na kagad because we know in 1 to 2 years time, talaga pong mapupuno po ito ng tao. So right now, most of our members are international. Ang kagandahan po niyan, patuloy po yung paglaki natin. So sa mga makakapanood po nito, mas maganda pong makasabay po kayo ngayon while we were just starting. Ito po yung ating mga legalities. Ito po yung ating mga first line of products. First, we have the beverages. We have the Chocolate Classic. Number 2, we have the Cafe Plus. We have the Melon Burst. We have the Guyabano Juice. And we have the Four Season Juice. So, yung Melon Burst po natin, yan po yung ating pampaputi. The Guyabano Juice is our health juice. And the Four Season, yan po yung ating slimming juice. Yung Choco Classic naman po natin, yan yung healthy drink na maganda po para sa mga bata. And the Cafe Plus, sa mga tao pong mahilig magkape and gusto po na healthy po yung coffee na iniinom nila, then this is for you. And now, since the Four Season is our slimming juice, so ang nilagay po namin dito or lahat po ng nakakatulong sa pagpapayat. Number 1 po, we have the Garcinia Cambogia. Next, we have L-carnitine. Next, we have CLA. We have green tea extract. And most importantly, sa lahat po ng beverages namin, ang nilagay po namin is stevia, which is 50 times sweeter than sugar. Ang kagandahan po nito, ang sugar po kasi nakakapag-add po ng weight. No? Ang kagandahan naman po sa stevia, since natural po siya na sweetener, hindi po tayo tataba, so mas mabilis po tayong papayat. Next, we have the health juice, which is the Guyabano juice. So since this is our healthy juice, ang nilagay po namin is lahat po ng content na nakakatulong sa ating health, which is the grapeseed extract, Ganoderma, mangosteen, silimarin, Guyabano, and lastly, we also put stevia into it. Next, we have the Choco Classic. So, ang gandahan po nito, lahat po ng green and leafy vegetables po, yun po ang mostly na kinarga po natin dito. Kaya po, yung mga bata at isip bata po na mahirap pong pakainin po ng gulay, ang kagandahan po nito, through drinking this Choco Classic, nakukuha na po nila yung vitamins and nutrients na kailangan nila sa green and leafy vegetables. We have number 1, we have the moringa. Next, we have chlorella, carrots, ginkgo biloba, okra, and lastly, we put stevia into it. And next, we have the melon burst. Since this is our whitening juice, so ang lagay po namin dito was lahat naman po ng content na nakakatulong po sa pagpapaganda po ng balat and pampaputi po ng balat. Number 1, we put cranberry. Next, we have acai, blueberry, collagen and L-glutathione. Next, we have goji. And lastly, we put stevia into it. The next line of our products are the beauty soaps. So, we have citron na merong citrus extract. Next, we have luminosity, which has collagen and kojic acid. Next, we have the Raven, which is activated carbon. And lastly, we have the Serenity, which is argan oil and popping. So, ito po yung mga benefits niya, pati ingredients. Now, ito naman po yung testimony nung sa luminosity. Next na product po natin was the Gold Caviar. This is our flagship. No? So, this is gold and caviar combined. Yung gold po kasi, nung panahon po kasi ni Cleopatra, ang gold, ginagamit na po talaga niya yan as beauty regimen niya. So, ang ginagawa po ni Cleopatra dati, natutulog siya na may gold face mask. No? So, yung caviar naman po, these are eggs po nung malalaking isda, which is isa po sa mahal na pagkain because sa sobrang ganda po ng benefits na binibigay sa katawan natin. So, ang kagandahan po nito, yung gold saka yung caviar, pinagsama po natin. And ito po yung isa sa testimony niyan. So, kung titignan nyo po, sobrang daming pimples, tas on the long run po, mas nag-paler yung skin niya, kuminis po. So, actually, marami pa pong testimonies about gold caviar. And you could try it para mas ma-prove nyo po mismo sa sarili nyo. Now, these are the price list. How to become a member sa iWon? Number 1, you must be at least 18 years old. Number 2, you must find an iWon dealer as a sponsor. Number 3, you must fill up a dealer application form. And number 4, kailangan po natin mag-purchase ng product set. Now, ang iWon packages po and the product return is this. Kapag ka nag-join ka po sa Silver, ang price po niyan is 8,880. Ang product return mo is 90% or 7,992. When you join with Gold, that's 11,980. And ang product return niya po is 98% or 11,381. Now, when you join with Platinum, ang price niya po is 62,160. And the product return is 100%. So, you could join in any of these three. And you could upgrade it anytime. Ang pinagkaiba po nila is every time po mas mataas yung package na gina-joinan mo, mas malaki po yung potential income na pwede mong kitain. So, anytime pwede mo po siyang upgrade. So, kung bakit po mas malaki ang potential income, i-explain ko po yan habang ina-explain ko po sa inyo yung kabuuan ng marketing plan. Now, these are the packages na pwede natin pagpilian when it comes to Silver Pack. So, meron po tayong Silver Pack na may kasamang sabon and beverages. Next, we have a Silver Pack na puro sabon. Next, we have a Silver Pack na puro beverages. And next, we have a Silver Pack again of soaps and beverages. Now, this is a gold package which costs 11,980. Ang kasama po dyan yung complete face set ng gold caviar and at the same time yung tatlong soap. Next, we have the gold pack of soap and beverages including coffee. Next, we have another gold pack with all beverages. And next, we have the platinum package which costs 62,160. Ang kasama po niya was gold caviar, 5 and puro soap. Next, we have 5 na gold caviar and beverages and coffee. And next, we have a combination of lahat ng products which has the gold caviar, the beverages, and the soaps. Now, these are the ways to earn. Number 1, we have retailing. Number 2, we have the direct referral commission. Number 3, we have the pairing income. Number 4, we have the leadership income. 5, unilevel income. And number 6, we have the redundant income. Now, let's go to number 1, which is retailing. So, when you join this business, you will get 30 to 50% lifetime discount. 30% pagdating po sa soaps and dun sa kape and choco. 40% naman when it comes to juice. And 50% when it comes to the gold caviar set. How the system works. So, for the benefits of those people na hindi nila alam kung paano po tumatakbo yung binary, this is how it is. No? So, when you join this business, you will get your own left and right. Ibig sabihin, pag nag-join ka, may sarili kang left and right side. Everyone naman na mag-join, magkakaroon din ng sarili niyang left and right side. Even yung nag-join sa right, magkakaroon din po ng left and right side. So, ang tawag po dun sa ikaw mismo na nakapag-invite was yung directly sponsored mo or your first level. Yan, yung ikaw mismo ang naka-invite. Kapag ka naman po na spill over sa ilalim, as long as ikaw ang nag-invite, that will still be called your directly sponsored or first level. Kasi po, ikaw pa rin na na-invite since binary po, so may spill lang siya sa ilalim. Now, number 2, we have the direct referral commission. So, ang direct referral commission po natin, nagbabari yan kung ano pong package nag-join. Pag nag-join po sa silver, meron kang 800 pesos. Pag naka-invite ka na nag-join sa gold, meron kang 1,000. And kapag naka-invite ka na nag-join sa platinum, meron kang 7,000 pesos. Ibig sabihin, if this is you, you have your left and right. Pag may na-invite ka, nag-join ng silver, meron kang 800 pesos. Nag-join ng gold, meron kang 1,000. And kapag nag-join ng platinum, kahit na spillover yan, meron ka pa rin 7,000 pesos. Number 3, we have the pairing income. So again, you have your left and right. Pairing income, ang ibig sabihin po niyan, every time may pumapasok sa left and right, that is called a pair. So kahit po sa ganitong ayos, basta may pumasok sa left and right side mo, that's a pair. Kahit ganitong ayos, it's a pair. Kahit ganitong ayos, it's a pair. As long po na meron pumapasok sa left and sa right, ang tawag po dyan is pair. Ang kagandahan po niyan up to infinity. So that's the way pairing income goes. Now, for the same account, pairing income, ganito po nangyayari yan. For example po, meron nag-join ng silver sa left mo at may nag-join sa right ng silver. Yung 600 points kapag nag-pair, that's equivalent to 1,200 pesos. Kapag ka naman po may nag-join na gold on your left and your right, yung 750 points, kapag nag-pair, that's equivalent to 1,500 pesos as pairing income. Now, kapag ka naman po nag-join sa platinum and platinum, left and right, 4,200 points pag nag-pair, that's equivalent to 8,400 pesos. So, ganun po kasimple tumatakbo yung pairing income on the same account. Note, platinum to platinum po is equals to 7 pairs. Now, what about the different account entry? So, what if may nag-join ng silver sa left and platinum on the right, or may nag-join ng silver sa left and gold on the right, or may nag-join ng gold sa left and platinum on the right? Now, let's always remember na every packages po, meron po tayong certain point value. So, pagka silver, 600 point value, pag gold, 750 point value, and pag platinum, that's 4,200 point value. Always remember na for every 600 point value na nagpe-pair, that's equivalent to 1,200 pesos. And for every 750 point value na nagpe-pair, that's equivalent to 1,500 pesos. So, for example, may nag-join ng silver sa left, that's 600 point value, and may nag-join naman ng platinum sa right, that's 4,200 point value. Yung 600 point value, magpe-pair po yan sa right. So, magma-minus po tayo ng 600 point value dun. Meron kang kita na 1,2 because nag-pair yung 600 point value. Ang weighting mo is 3,600 point value. Now, again, meron naman nag-join ng gold sa left na 750 point value. Magpe-pair po yan sa right. That's another, ma-minus po natin 750 point value sa weighting. Kikita ka ng 1,5 kapag every time nagpe-pair yung 750 point value. So, meron kang weighting na 2,850 point value. Again, pag may nag-join ng gold, yung 750 po, magpe-pair na naman sa 750 on the left. Kikita ka ng another 1,5 pesos. Hanggang on the long run, mag-zero yung point sa right and point sa left. Now, let's go to the safety net. So, marami pong tao nagtatanong, kung kumikita daw po ng malaki yung mga tao, sigurado magsasara yung company. Now, we have the safety net para po hindi magsara yung company. Ito po yung protection ng company para hindi po malugi. Number 1, we have the maximum income as our safety net. So, for 1,2 to 1,5 na per pair, kung nag-join ka sa silver, that's 10 pairs per day. So, ang maximum mo po is 324 to 405,000 per month. Kapag nag-join ka naman ng gold, that's a maximum 15 pairs a day. So, that's equivalent to 504 to 630,000 a month. Kapag nag-join ka ng platinum, that's a maximum 20 pairs a day. So, ang maximum income mo is 648,000 to 810,000 per month. Now, ang kagandahan po nito, 30 days encoding po tayo including holidays. Now, number 2 po na safety net natin is yung tinatawag na 10 pair. Sa ibang company po, 5 pair po yan. So, lumalabas yung 5 pair mo. So, yung 1,5 po doon, nakikitain mo, mamaminus po yun at magiging produkto. Sa atin naman, in-adjust natin para yung 5 pair mo maging kita mo, yung 15 pair mo, and so on, maging kita mo. So, yung 10 pair po, ang papalit po tayo is 600 pesos worth of products SRP. So, pwede mo po siyang ipambili. Ganun po kasimple. Now, let's go to the leadership income. Ang kagandahan po nito, this is based on pairing. Sa ibang company po kasi, ang leadership income po nila naka-base po sa Unilevel. Eh kung titignan po natin ang Unilevel, barya lang po yun. Ang malaki po talagang kitaan, nasa pairing. Now, this is you, and this is your first level, second, and third level. Now, yung leadership income po, nagbe-base po yan, depende kung saan package ka po nag-join. Silver, gold, or platinum. Kapag silver po, 5% ka sa first level mo, sa second, and sa third, wala ka na po. Sa gold naman, 8% ka sa first, sa second, 5%, and sa third, wala. And sa platinum, magiging 12% ka na po sa first level, 8% sa second, and 5% sa third level. That's the reason platinum is the best package. Ito po example kung paano siya tumatakbo. If you join with the silver, kung yung first level po na na-invite mo, nagwa 1 million per month, kikita ka po sa kanya ng 5%. So, may kita ka na 50,000 per month sa kanya pa lang. Now, what if nag-join ka naman ng gold? Kung kanina po 5% ka, this time, 8% ka na po sa first level mo. So, kikita ka ng 80,000. And sa second level, kung nagwa 1 million per month din, meron kang 5%, that's an additional of 50,000. So, ang total na kinita mo po is 130,000. Now, what if nag-join naman siya sa platinum? So, sa first level mo, kung kumikita ng 1 million per month, this time po, 12% ka na. So, may kita kang 120,000 pesos. Sa second level naman, that's 8%, so may 80,000 ka. Sa third level, that's 5%, so may 50,000 ka. So that's a total of 250,000 pesos. Ang kagandahan po sa Platinum hanggang third level. That's the reason Platinum is the best package. Now, kung titignan nyo po, isang side lang po ang gumalaw sa'yo. Ang tawag po namin dyan is the one leg program. Kung titignan nyo po, wala kang tao sa right. But still, kumikita ka pa rin ng 250,000 per month kahit isang tao lang or isang line lang ang gumalaw. Kasi po dito po, binavalue po namin, no, not unlike po sa ibang company, kailangan po laging pares. Gumagalaw yung left saka yung right. Pero let's face it, kahit isang leg lang po ang gumalaw, pinaghirapan nyo po yan, kaya dapat po, kumita po kayo dyan. That's the reason po, ito po yung additional na ginawa namin. Kahit one leg lang, pwede kang kumita ng 250,000 every month. So there's no doubt po na with iWon, talagang kikita ka po ng malaki. Now let's go to the uni-level bonus. So kung silver ka po, from 1st to 8th level, kikita ka po ng 5% sa lahat ng repeat order nila. Kapag gold ka naman, from 1st to 8th level, kikita ka po ng 8% again sa lahat ng repeat order nila. Pero kung platinum ka po, 1st to 8th level, kikita ka po ng 12% sa lahat ng repeat order nila. That's the reason po, platinum is the best package. Now let's go to the redundant income. Ang una po is yung upgrade account. Ibig sabihin po, if this is you, and this is your downline, kapag ka po siya nag-join ng silver, siyempre po, mas malaki po ang kikitain niya kapag ka gold siya or platinum, which is nakita nyo naman po kanina nung in-explain ko yung leadership income and the uni-level income. Now, siyempre po, from silver, mag-upgrade po yan to gold. And from gold, mag-upgrade siya sa platinum. Ang gandaan po nito, ibig sabihin ng redundant income, paulit-ulit ka po pwedeng kumita. No? So, ibig sabihin po, number 1, kikita ka na naman ng another direct referral pag nag-upgrade siya sa gold at sa platinum. And again, since bumili siya ng another gold, meron pong additional na points yun. So, kikita ka na naman ng pairing income. And lastly, kikita ka na naman ng another leadership income. Now, let's go to multiple accounts redundant income. When someone buys multiple accounts, lahat po ng direct referral sa'yo po mapupunta. So, for example po, na-invite mo to, nag-platinum, meron kang kita na 7,000 na direct referral. Every time po na nag-add siya ng additional account niya, lahat po ng direct referral sa'yo po mapupunta. So, kung titignan nyo po, kung bumili siya ng 7 platinum, that's equivalent to 49,000 pesos. Now, let's go to the car incentive program. Sa ibang company po, lahat po na naging kotse namin, binili po namin sa sarili namin pera. Yun naman po ang isang bagay na binago po ng iPhone. Ang kagandahan po dito, kapag ka po ikaw, naka 100 pairs ka, yung kinita mo po dyan, hindi po yan mababawasan. Ang company po ang magbibigay sa iyo ng 100,000 pesos na down payment para sa kotse mo. Kapag naka 300 pairs ka naman, 300,000 down payment. Kapag 700 pairs, that's 700,000 po na down payment. Ang kagandahan po po dyan, there's no time frame. Ibig sabihin, 1 taon, 2 taon, 5 taon, 10 taon, magkakaroon ka po ng pan-down sa kotse mo kapag nakuha mo yung 100, 300, o 700 pairs. Ibig sabihin, sa iWon, kahit ano pong mangyari, siguradong magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong sasakyan. Now, let's go to the travel incentive. Ang travel po natin, meron po tayong Hong Kong and meron po tayong Boracay. Lahat po yan, yung qualification po niya, nag-differ per travel. So, every travel po, naglalabas po kami ng qualification kung paano po mag-qualify sa kada travel na gagawin po natin. Now, let's go to the business package or the 7 accounts program. Let's start with the silver pack. So, ang cash out mo po is 62,160. Ang product return mo po is 55,944 pesos. Ang personal pairing mo po is 6,000 pesos. Ang gagawin mo lang po, mag-i-invite ka lang ng 8 tao na gagawin din po yung ginawa mo. Yung magbi-business package din po or 7 silver accounts. Ang total po nakikitain ng 7 accounts mo, 80 pairs times 1, 2, that's 96,000. Ang direct referral po niyan is 44,800 pesos. Total po is 140,800 pesos. Help them to do the same. Ibig sabihin, yung 8 tao, tulungan nyo po na mag-invite din ng tago 8 tao na mag-business package din. Ang account nyo po, ang kikitain po, that's 600 pairs times 1, 2, that's 726,000. So, ang total po na kinita mo po is 928,744. Ang ginawa mo, ikaw, nag-7 accounts na silver, yung nag-invite ka ng 8, at yung 8, nag-7 silver accounts din, and then nag-invite din sila ng 8 tao na magse-7 silver account. Ganun po yung process. Now, kapag gold ka naman po nag-start, 7 gold accounts, ang cash out mo is 83,860 pesos. ang total mo po is 1.1 million. Kapag ka naman platinum, ang ginawa nyo po na business pack, ang cash out nyo po is 435,120 pesos. Ang total naman po nakikitain nyo is 6.6 million pesos. So again, this is Iwon. Grab this opportunity and join us now. Kontakin nyo lang po yung taong nagpanood sa inyo ng video na to.